Number 1. Describe the slash and burn technique of early agriculture. And type your answer here. Number 2. Why did this create a migratory farming situation? Number 3. What allowed for settled farming? Number 4. Why was animal domestication important? Number 5. Besides food products, what else did animals provide? Number 6. What animals were domesticated in different areas? Number 7. Why were people in the Americas disadvantaged? And number 8. Summarize the impacts of the Neolithic Revolution in regards to economic, social, political, and cultural.